So things just escalated pretty quickly for the DJI Lito X1 because we're no longer dealing with vague rumors or partial leaks. This is one of the most concrete confirmations yet. The images come from Igor Bogdanov and the new camera, so there's solid credibility behind this. Now, if you're not caught up, there are two models in this lineup, the Lito 1 and the Lito X1. And out of the two, the X1 is clearly the more premium, creator-focused option. The box we're looking at here is labeled Beta Unit Not For Sale, which is actually a big deal. This confirms it's not a retail unit, but a late-stage testing device. In DJI's usual workflow, beta units are used for final validation, demos, and tuning before mass production. So this isn't an early prototype, it's very close to the final product. And the fact that it's already in full retail style packaging tells you we're likely in the final stretch before launch. Another important detail, DJI had already cleared registrations for both the Lito and Lito X1 before the ban situation, which strongly suggests these are still expected to launch in the US. One of the most interesting things on the box is the ultra léger branding. That's French for ultralight. DJI has used similar wording before to refer to sub 249 gram drones, so this pretty much hints that the Lito X1 is targeting that ultra lightweight category. This specific unit is the Fly More Combo Plus with the DJI IRC2 controller. That's still worth noting, but more so because it confirms DJI is sticking with their standard mid-range controller setup here. Since even the mini series already uses the RC2, this doesn't automatically push the X1 into a higher tier, but it does confirm this is a complete ready-to-go bundle rather than a base model. Looking at the box, we do get a glimpse of the drone design. Although not fully clear in this image, it sticks to that familiar foldable mini-style layout, and from previous leaks, we've already seen the 3-axis gimbal setup and what looks like quick-release propellers. Overall, it feels more like a refined evolution than a completely new design. On the back, the only clearly visible highlights are HEVC support and compatibility with tools like Final Cut Pro. Other feature details aren't fully readable here, so nothing else can be confirmed from this particular image. And finally, the inbox list pretty much confirms this is a full kit. You've got the aircraft, the RC2 controller, multiple batteries, a two-way charging hub, spare props, cables, a screwdriver, and even a shoulder bag. So this is the complete Flymore setup. At this point, this isn't just another leak. It's a pretty clear sign that the Lito X1 is almost ready. We've got the name, the packaging, and even beta units out in the wild. Now it's just a matter of time. Peace.